Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Soul Seed Tarot. Hope you all are doing well, happy, and healthy. I'm back again with another reading. Today, we are going to do a pick a card reading for you. I'm not sure if I should take 2 piles or 3 piles, so maybe I'll just take 3 piles, and these are going to be your piles. I'll attach a separate video for you to choose from these 3 piles. Okay, take a moment, take a deep breath, and try to pick a pile to which you're most drawn to. If at all you're drawn to multiple piles, please feel free to watch all the piles. Please keep in mind these are going to be general readings. All the messages may or may not resonate with you. Please keep the ones that resonate and leave the rest. With that, we'll start with pile number 1. This is going to be pile number 1. Okay, so whosoever chose this pile, hope it stays. There's a lot of wind. If it falls, it falls. Okay, pile 1, let's see what your current situation is, what you really need to know. We have a Queen of Wands, we have a Queen of Swords, we have a 8 of Swords in reverse for you. You are slaying Queen. Okay, there is a lot of courage. I see there is a lot of determination, confidence, independent energy. Okay, maybe you're just leaving a toxic place or workplace or relationship or whatever it is. You were under pressure, you were not happy at that place, and you realized it, and you are showing the power to the world and to other people how strong you are, and you're walking out of this unpleasant situation, unpleasant place, whatever it is. Yeah, we have a Page of Pentacles in reverse and 10 of Cups in reverse. So you are trying to explore other projects, other business ideas, or other workplaces, or maybe just exploring being single for some time. Okay, maybe you're just coming out of a relationship right now and you are trying to explore staying single. Okay, I sense an energy. If you are coming out of a relationship, I sense an energy of like laziness, like not interested in going into another relationship. If at all you're coming out of workplace, you're not interested in taking another job anymore. You are wanting to take a break. That could be your situation, pile 1. That you could be wanting to take a break. If that resonates, we have Ace of Pentacles, we have Justice, and we have Queen of Pentacles in reverse for you. So Ace of Wands at the bottom of the deck for you. Pile 1. Okay, pile 1, I must say you are coming out of a cycle. You are taking a break, and then you will march towards something new, to a brand new beginning, to achieve something new, to follow your passion, and you will be successful in that, and justice will be served in your favor. That is the whole reading for you, pile 1. If at all you are wanting to take a break, it is your choice. You can take a break. There's absolutely no issues with that. Why there is no issue in taking that break, in leaving this situation? Because you know you have the skill, you have the talent, you can get back on your feet again, financially, emotionally, whatever it is. So if at all you are willing to take a break and come out of an unpleasant cycle, this is the journey for you. Okay, you will be successful. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. Okay, with that, we'll move to pile number 2. If it resonated, pile 1, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If it didn't, please try to listen to your intuition and find a pile that resonates to you. If at all you want to, then you can watch all the three piles. There is absolutely no issues. I just want you to get the message or information that you really need. Coming to pile number 2. Hello, pile 2. How are you guys? Okay, let's do a reading for you. The Chariot card wants to come out, so I'm going to take that. The Seven of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Knight of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Pile 2. You are putting your efforts on the right direction. Okay? You are taking up all the challenges that are coming on your way. You are staying focused on your goals, whatever you desire. Maybe it is about your family or finances. I feel it is mostly a finance reading, and you are on the right path. You manage your money well. You know how to invest, how much amount to save, where to invest, at what time, at what place. You're going on the right path. You're taking the right steps towards it. If it is a love reading, if you feel like it resonates with you for your lovely love reading, pile 2, I would say you are on the right path. You are with the right person. A celebration, a happiness, a happy moment is coming in your life. Why? Because you took up challenges to protect your relationship from external forces or external situations or people. Okay, you worked on your relationship, you cared for your relationship, you took care of it, you were in a provider energy, you took care of your relationship, and that is going to be fruitful for you, and you're going to have a good time for you, for your relationship with your partner. Okay, just Ace of Wands in reverse, Eight of Wands, and a Six of Wands, Six of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Let it be, let it fall, no issues. Wow, this is a very good spread for you, pile 2. If you were struggling taking up challenges since a long time, and you almost felt like maybe you're not going on the right path, maybe you're not going on the right direction because you don't see the balance or the goal being achieved, or you're not seeing the milestones being achieved, even if you are working hard and taking up more and more challenges, but that cycle is going to end for you and something new, brand new is beginning for you, pile 2, with a lot of energy, with a lot of positive energy that requires you to be proactive. And because it is a lot of positive energy, it is also coming with a balance for you. Okay, since it is coming all of a sudden, a huge energy of shift, a huge positive energy with a lot of happiness, with a sense of success, with a sense of achievement. You may feel like it is going to shake up the situation, shake up things around you, but no, it is coming with a lot of balance. If you are in a relationship, I see you taking your relationship to the next level. You have to listen to your intuition in this journey, and I would wish you a very good luck, pile 2, because this is a very good news for you. This is ending of a tough cycle and beginning of a new positive and happy journey, a beautiful journey. If it resonated, pile 2, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family as well to subscribe. We will now move on to pile number 3. Pile 2, if you did not get the message, if it did not resonate to you, I would recommend you to choose another pile and watch that pile so that you can get an information that you really need, that will be helpful for you. Welcome, pile 3. The first card, we have the Eight of Pentacles, King of Swords, the High Priestess in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse, and the Nine of Swords in reverse. Bottom of the deck, Knight of Swords in reverse for you, okay? You're putting in a lot of efforts, okay? You're putting in a lot of efforts, and after trying a lot, you feel like there is no more creativity left in you, there is no more energy left in you to put any more efforts towards this direction, and you are almost like your creativity has given up, you don't have any other plans. But here is a good news for you. Since you don't want to change your personal beliefs, you believe that this is your correct path, this is the path you need to follow, and you still have the belief that you will be successful one day in this path, though your creativity has given up, but your belief system has not. Guess what? The good news is you are going to recover from this situation. Okay, mentally, emotionally, financially, or physically, the situation is changing for you, and even if something was not going in your favor, that table is going to turn now in your favor. Okay, you're going to be successful in this. And the Devil card, the Eight of Pentacles, the Chariot in reverse, the King of Swords at the bottom of the deck. A message, pile 3, I would want to give you that you may feel like you are stuck in a situation where you cannot change something. Like maybe it is a traditional cycle that you cannot change, or maybe it is just that somebody is misusing their power and they are not letting you change something. Okay, and you felt stuck, you felt powerless for a moment, and you felt like the negative energy or that misusing, or the person that is misusing their power, or the manipulative person has taken over the situation, has taken over your life probably, and you cannot change anything. Okay, you felt a lot like that, but still you had a belief system, and you really did not want to give up, and you worked hard towards your goal to make a change, to make a shift in the situation, to bring some change in your life. You worked hard for yourself, and you are going to be successful, you are going to recover from this cycle. Okay. Oh wow, the Magician, the Fool card, the Hierophant. Okay, the Hierophant in reverse, and then we have the Hierophant here in upright. Since we have the Magician and the Fool card here, pile 3, this is going to be a magical new beginning for you. You can just take a leap of faith. You can have a blind trust, blind belief on universe, that universe or God is with you, and they're holding your hand. They'll help you through this journey. They will help you to come out of this cycle, this unpleasant cycle or situation where you are in, because you have all the power that you need. You have all the skills. You are ready for this new beginning right now. That is your whole situation, pile 3. If you were stuck in this, still you were working hard. Okay, you upskilled yourself, you learned some new things, you learned lessons, you learned how to tackle those kind of situations, unpleasant situations, how to tackle with those people, how to overcome or take down those manipulative people. You worked on yourself. Okay, and that is why now you are ready for this new beginning, and this new beginning is here for you, pile 3. Embrace yourself, embrace this new journey, pile 3. If it resonated, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family as well to subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.